step in the grinder rebuild is to sandblast all of the middle piece. I've taped up the motor. The grit will still get in there, but it won't impact the motor, and hopefully it won't hurt it any. So I did everything I could to take everything off of it. Okay, so I did this one. This is the base to the grinder. I did this face plate. This screw is stripped out, and rather than force it out and replace it, I just left it in and propped this side up and did down in the edges. You can see that this metal is a little discolored. I did this last night, and then I did half of it last night and half of it today. And the half that I did last night actually turned a little dark overnight, so I'll have to re-sandblast that on the day that I paint it. I'll sandblast it, wipe it down real good, and paint it before it can turn dark again. So you can see that that paint covered up a lot of mistakes in the casting too. And there's where that power cord goes in. The camera's actually making that look a little darker than it is. And I did this cradle where the middle piece of the grinder sits on. Pretty good finish. I wouldn't say it's quite ready to paint, but it's pretty close. Looks like it's a very, very, very rough casting, but I'm not sure it needs to be that finished. This finishes up the sandblast phase of the restoration. The next phase is painting. I'll give you a little preview of what the parts look like after sandblasting, but before painting. And I'll see you in the next video where I'll actually do the painting. The final video will be the reassembly and actually running it. So stick around for all the videos. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.